So how do you use a silent mode on your Android phone? Let's get started. So there are what I would say layers to this. So essentially the first layer or the easiest option is just to swipe down on the home screen and you will be able to see the controls right there. And one of them is the switcher between the loud mode, vibrate mode, and the complete mute mode, right? So if you want to just use it this way, just switch in between the toggles and options right here, and it is basically all that you really need. But if you want to go deeper than that, you can hold down on it and it moves you over to the settings where you can again at the top choose the silent, regular mode, vibrate, or mute. But below you also have some additional settings for some options like the ringtones, notification sound, system volume, system vibration, intensity, and some other things which you can go through. So not only you enable the mode, but you can also switch in between some different options, right? So you can just completely separately pick the volumes for ringtones, media, system, and notifications, and all of that can be managed right here. So I believe that it's just much more useful and it gives you a deeper layer of control. But if you really want to, you can even go deeper than that because there are dedicated modes and routines. For example, you can see one of the popular options listed here. So let's say I choose work. And in this, I can enable the silent mode or do not disturb mode, but choose specific people and specific apps which can still be regular, like those apps and contacts can still ring while everything else will be on a silent mode. So inside of these like modes and routines, you have even more options on how you can customize it. So this is the third layer which you can explore. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it or if you now know how to use a silent mode on your Android phone. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.